Hey Brainiacs, welcome to Brilliant Brains. Today I want to talk to you about memory. Memory is an important part of life. Without memory, we couldn't really remember anything. The first question I want to ask you about memory is, where is memory stored in your body? Well, we know memory is stored in your brain, but let's look deeper down on that question. Where is memory stored in your brain? Well, memory is stored in the hippocampus part of your brain. That part of your brain is called the temporal lobe. The temporal lobe is where your episodic memories are stored. Episodic memories are autobiographical memories. Autobiographical memories are memories that are specific to a place and something that happened in your life. Like this shirt. Whenever I see this shirt, whenever I wear this shirt, it reminds me of going to Camp Timberlake. It reminds me of all the memories I made there and all the friends I made there. Let's move on to our second question. Can bodies store memory? Because we know brains can store memory, but can bodies? Well, yes. Your 5 senses can store memory. Your hands and your fingers are touch, and say if I touch this pen without looking at it, I can obviously feel it's a pen. And our mouth, if I taste something, then if you taste it a lot, you should obviously know what it is. Our ears, if I hear a sound that I often hear, then I'll know what it is. If our nose smells something that we have smelled before, then it will know what it is. And our eyes. If we see something, like if I see this box of markers, I will know it's a box of markers. Because our body has had experience with these items that we're dealing with, so they will remember them quick. This is what I want to show you about our brain. Our memory is stored in the temporal lobe, and that's what stores our episodic memory and our autobiographical memory as well. Let's look at these other parts of the brain. Well, we have this pink part. It's called the frontal lobe. We know the temporal lobe. This is the parietal lobe, and this is the occipital lobe. But then what are these? This is called the brainstem. This is called the cerebellum. When our class dissected the sheep's brain, we should have memory of what the cerebellum is and the brainstem is because we saw that. Let's move on to our third question. How long can you remember things for? Well, we can remember things for about 20 to 30 seconds if we have short-term memory loss. That is what scientists declare. What causes short-term memory loss? Well, Alzheimer's disease can cause memory loss as well as dementia. Also, brain tumors have a role in losing your memory and having short-term memory loss. But then what causes long-term memory loss? Well, oxygen loss can cause long-term memory loss or serious brain injury. Alcohol and drugs also can cause this issue. Why do people lose their memory? Well, people who have stress, anxiety, or even depression causes memory loss or forgetfulness or difficulty concentrating. Alcohol may also be a reason you can lose your memory. When I said what causes short-term memory loss, it mentions Alzheimer's disease. But what is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a dangerous disease to get because it can destroy your nerve connection with the brain. But won't kill you. It will make you forget how to do ordinary things like move, swallow, or chew. This disease is very common to get. In the US, over 3 million people get it. But this disease isn't contagious. There's just no cure. But doctors do certain treatments on you that maybe will fix this problem. I hope you enjoyed learning about memory, and make sure to teach others about it as well.